This was done so the non-human life forms who would eventually reach the light of the central sun of the universe that created them could discover who the creator is. And the vessel of life was left as a gift so the life forms capable of evolving to that level of self-awareness and consciousness can themselves become one with the energy of creation that created them in the first place. And then there is a visual representation of this, you see. So, and this is exactly what the conditions here on the in this universe were, where we left this vessel of life, one of our infinite number of vessels. We left this one in this universe that we created an infinite number of cycles ago. And the natural conditions of this universe as the life forms emerged essentially created the conditions for the lunar period, which is the period that just ended as Barrett Gate has fallen. And this book is the introduction to that process of our history, of an infinite history, as volume 1 called Sansons. And then volume 2, 3, and 4 would come later, and I'll explain that in much deeper detail as to how the process took place and the specific events, and it's much more granular. This is just the main idea and the outcome, the current state of infinity, who we are as the Republic of Planet Earth, because we're infinity ourselves as the creators. So you see, so everything that happened here as a result of that was because whoever showed up here just, had their own instincts and their own ways to see things and perceive infinity from their objective kind of like reality, which was based on their instincts and their nature as an intelligent life form. So when they showed up, they did what they did. But what they didn't realize is that they didn't know what they were doing and who we are. And as a result of that, everything happened the way it did because of the lack of understanding. And it happens sometimes, there's occasions where it has happened. And this is just an example of our ancient history of that event. And this is it.